Hi everyone, welcome to EA Vision channel. I'm Ding Chi. In front of me is a recently launched EA 2021, an all-terrain following agriculture spraying drone. Now let's open the box to check out what's inside. Okay, that's everything in the box. First, that's a water tank with a 20-liter capacity. Then we have an offline RTK base station. That's for the offline use. And a surveying device. It's a remote control for the drone. You also have a plastic bag here, which we have a user manual, a quality certificate, and a packing list. And the most important, we have our powerful EA 2021. Next, I will introduce you the intelligent charger and battery. First, let's look at the charger. Alright, so that's how it looks like. We have a power button here, we have a mode switch here, which we can switch between the fast charge mode and the normal charge mode. At the back side, you can see here's a switch between household electricity and generator mode. And in each box, you also have 4 cables for the charging, because this charger supports charging for 4 batteries at the same time. Then let's look at the battery. That's our intelligent battery with a capacity of 20,000 milliamp. For each set, you will have 4 batteries. The drone can fly for around 10 to 15 minutes with 1 battery. It also has good cooling capacity so that you don't have to wait for the temperature decrease. You can just charge and use, charge and use. Okay, so that's all about our EA 2021 power supply system. Okay, thank you for watching today's video.